You found this on your Nikon memory card. It's a dummy file that contains description data about your photos. It doesn't contain the photo itself. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you where the image is. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise, a dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like DSC. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. When we speak of file architecture, DSC is specifically built upon the raster image file type. This structure is a known variant of the base Nikon Description File format. The DSC file extension is commonly associated with Nikon digital cameras. These files typically contain descriptive information and source data related to images captured by the camera. DSC files may include metadata such as camera settings, date and time of capture, and other relevant information. They are often used in conjunction with raw image files to provide additional context and details. DSC files generally employ a text-based or binary format for storing metadata. The specific structure of DSC files can vary depending on the Nikon camera model and firmware version. The files may contain tags or fields that correspond to different camera settings and image characteristics. Software applications can parse DSC files to extract and display the embedded metadata. You will typically find Nikon software developed by Nikon associated with DSC. Windows can show the file exists, but cannot perform color space correction or rendering. Windows handles the display portion, but comprehensive image editing requires suitable software. First, use Text Editor. Open the file using a text editor, Notepad, to view the content, as it is often a plain text description or configuration file. Next, use Associated Application. If a digital security controls file, use the DSC security software to manage the file. Finally, check for corruption. If the file is a manifest, delete it and rerun the associated program to force the program to regenerate a clean copy. If you found this solution valuable, please like and subscribe to help us grow the channel. Have a great day.